2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, four-wheel drive, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, ABS four-wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, auto-off headlights, electronic stability control, MP3 player, child safety locks, passenger airbag, power windows, CD player, side head airbag, power door locks. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.